A Black Plight for You production. We're continuing on our conspiracy series, and we're dealing today with the topic of weather control. Now, as you know, there's a large portion of our society that believes that the weather is being manipulated by the government with such things as chemtrails and a instrument that they call the HAARP. Now, weather manipulation is a process of basically controlling the weather in regards to using weather as a means of attack on other countries. So within this conspiracy theory, there are a lot of smaller theories. And one of those smaller theories is earthquakes, which caused the tsunami in Japan. Other things like flooding in China or flooding in the Midwest, that governments are actually using weather, earthquakes, and things to control and attack other nations. Now, HAARP in particular is one particular instrument that was used in shooting high frequency ions or radio waves into the ionic sphere or the high stratosphere. Warming it in some cases, not much is known about it, but HAARP was recently opened to the public. They've turned it over to a university and removed maybe the critical information around HAARP. HAARP is somewhat declassified since there's a university now running it, but this facility in 1993 was filled with a lot of controversy. And today it is sort of a place that you can tour if you had to. But it was these facilities like HAARP and other programs that the government created that has led for conspiracy theories to build up their portfolio with more information dealing with weather control. Now, weather control means that the chemtrails that come out of airplanes is made of a silver ion that reflects sunlight back up into the sky. But these particles themselves, whether they're nanotech, can create clouds upon command and creates hurricanes upon command. There is not much information to support that. So let's get into the facts. Is weather control real? And as a Muslim, should you believe in governmental weather control? And the answer to that question is no. You might be saying, well, Brother Umar, why? Well, the reality is that Allah controls the weather. And if some agency has the ability to control the weather, Allah controls that finger that presses the button and the computer. See, weather is based on the chaos theory, which means that it has a nonlinear equation that expresses cloud formation and the way that hurricanes form. Thermodynamics is, in fact, a mathematical equation of sorts. It can be modeled, but it is based on a nonlinear expression, which means that the formations cannot be predicted. It is a chaotic equation. The outcomes are similar, but the outputs are different. That's why modeling for weather is extremely difficult. So as a Muslim, we should have trust in Allah. Despite our technology advances or our technological advances, we should still have trust in Allah, because the bottom line is as follows. Allah controls the heavens and the earth. Allah controls the weather. Weather, although if it's able to be manipulated for whatever extent, on the day-to-day, everything happens because Allah willed it. Now understand what I mean by that. If you can make it partially cloudy and rain for 38 minutes, who controls it for the 24 hours? Who controls it for the billions of years that the earth has been in existence? How arrogant are we to say, as human beings, that we are godlike, or giving an attribute of weather control to a government, when in reality, it is Allah who controls everything. Be careful, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Umar, signing out. Black Plight for You. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.